Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best waxing iron is probably one of the most essential tools for any skier or snowboarder looking to maintain their gear and ensure optimal performance on the slopes. It's the key to achieving that smooth, fast glide that can make all the difference between a good day and a great one, allowing you to carve through powder or tackle icy conditions with confidence and precision, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their winter sports. Number 5. XCMAN Complete Ski Snowboard Tuning and Waxing Kit. Introducing the XCMAN Complete Ski Snowboard Tuning and Waxing Kit. This comprehensive package has everything you need to maintain your gear. Ideal for families or anyone who tunes multiple skis or snowboards. It offers great value and convenience for all your maintenance needs. This kit features an edge tool that handles every side edge angle imaginable, from 1 to 4 degrees. It's the only sharpening tool you'll ever need. The adjustable waxing iron provides stable, fine-tuned temperatures for optimal wax application. Its unique plate design helps cup melted wax efficiently. Keep everything organized in the large tool bag. It features internal straps, multiple pockets, and external access, with plenty of room for extras. Includes a generous bar of training wax for numerous applications and scrapers for edge cleaning. You'll also find metal scrapers, P-Tex, files, brushes, and more. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for anyone looking to get their gear dialed. If you have multiple skis or snowboards to maintain, or if you're a family of riders, this kit has everything you need. It's perfect for those who want convenience and a comprehensive set of tools without having to piece them together themselves. What people say. The iron did a great job. Turning it to the temperature setting described on the wax gave the wax a quick melt with zero burning. The PTX included in this kit worked flawlessly. You can still see where I dripped the PTX into the crack even after scraping, filing, and sanding, but running your fingers over it, you couldn't tell it was there. The wax in this kit melts smooth and consistently. It spreads well, scrapes well, and brushes well. Number 4. Winterial Snowboard and Ski Tuning Kit. Get everything you need for perfect ski and snowboard maintenance in one convenient package. This kit is designed to keep your gear in top condition. Achieve razor-sharp edges with our multi-angle tuner, allowing you to set the perfect angle for any condition. Ensure maximum control and grip on the slopes. Our versatile iron and all-temp wax ensure a smooth glide that lasts all season long. Adjust the temperature for optimal wax application in any weather. Proper tuning significantly enhances your control, speed, and safety on the mountain. It also extends the life of your equipment. This kit is compact and lightweight, fitting easily into its durable carry bag. You can perform quick tunes wherever your adventures take you. What we like. If you value portability and a straightforward tuning experience, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for those who travel frequently or need to make quick adjustments on the go. The all-temp wax means you're covered in most conditions, making it a great choice for the casual rider or someone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use setup. What people say. Great for a quick kit. I use it every winter during the season. Heats up nice and fast and comes with everything you need. He said it was easy to use and very handy to have when you go on a snowboarding trip. He brought it with him on a snow trip and he enjoyed waxing his board and his ride was smooth. Take some time, but this kit had everything other than citrus-based cleaner. I looked at all the combo kits, or buying pieces individually, and I have no regrets. This kit is A+ on all fronts. Didn't use the wax which came with it, but though some people say it's not much, it's plenty for at least 3 tune-ups, and I'm glad I'm not paying for extra wax so I could buy the stuff I wanted. Number 3. Toko T8 Hot Wax Iron. Tired of difficult waxing? This tool simplifies the process for all your skis and snowboards, making winter sports preparation a breeze. Achieve the perfect wax application every time. You can easily adjust the temperature between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 320 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your specific needs. Experience superior wax coverage thanks to its advanced plate design. This ensures efficient distribution and compression for a smooth glide. Count on its proven durability for season after season. It's a reliable choice that offers excellent performance without breaking the bank. Waxing is more flexible with its extended 8-foot power cord. It's designed for use in the USA, operating on a 110V power supply. What we like. For those who prioritize simplicity and consistent results, this iron is a fantastic option. If you're looking for a no-fuss tool that heats up quickly and distributes wax evenly, this is it. It's perfect for home users or anyone who wants a reliable iron for regular maintenance without complex digital readouts. What people say. The grooves in the heated base are a real neat addition, as they actually do help to better distribute the wax onto the skis with far less edge spillage while applying the melted wax. This iron works so well that I see no reason for the much more expensive ski wax irons unless you're a ski wax technician for professional skiers or something like that. The iron itself is about twice the size, and I'm able to apply the wax much quicker. Number 2. Toko T14-1200W Digital Wax Iron. Experience professional grade waxing with this powerful 1200W iron. It's perfect for preparing all types of skis and snowboards for the slopes. Achieve optimal wax consistency with its digital readout. This ensures accurate temperature control for perfect results every time. Customize your waxing experience with infinite temperature adjustment. You can easily set the temperature anywhere between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Its inbuilt microprocessor minimizes temperature fluctuations. This guarantees an even wax application for superior performance. The specially designed base promotes consistent wax distribution. Enjoy top-tier performance thanks to its innovative rhomboid structure. What we like. If you demand precision and consistency in your wax jobs, this is the iron you need. It's designed for enthusiasts and professionals who want exact temperature control and minimal fluctuations. If you're serious about optimizing your ski or snowboard performance and want a tool that offers digital accuracy, this is the one to consider. What people say. The number one feature on this iron is the digital display that shows the current plate temperature and, when adjusted, the target temp. This allows you to accurately dial in the right temp for your wax, which is key to not wasting wax or burning your ski base. The second thing to note is how much better this plate holds its heat. When running the iron down the ski to melt in the wax, it barely loses any heat at all, and you see a consistent melt from tip to tail. Additionally, the heat is very even across the entire plate. The shape is much more convenient to use when I have several skis side by side and the edges are rounded off to go over the bumps of the wax drops. The iron reaches its temperature very quickly and holds it steadily. I get no wax fumes at all now, yet the wax melts easily. Number 1. Swix Digital Ski and Snowboard Wax Iron. Achieve optimal wax application for all your waxes with its adjustable temperature setting. It's perfect for skiers and snowboarders aiming for peak performance on the slopes. Its robust 18mm base plate ensures consistent heat distribution for superior waxing results. This makes it ideal for both professional and recreational use. Built for long-lasting use, it offers shop-grade quality, making it a reliable tool for frequent waxing. Enhance your performance with precision. Whether you're applying glide or high-performance wax, its adjustable temperature accommodates all types. This ensures perfect application and enhanced performance. Trusted by professionals, it delivers top-notch quality and great value. It's an essential tool for any enthusiast aiming for peak performance. What we like. This iron is built for those who appreciate robust construction and reliable performance. If you're a frequent waxer or demand a tool that can handle consistent use, its shop-grade durability is a major advantage. It's ideal for anyone looking for a dependable, high-quality iron that ensures excellent heat distribution for all wax types. What people say. Very accurate temperature control. Love the thick plate, heats up quick and stays at temp. Easy to read digital temp. Perfect for someone doing waxing at home or in a shop. Thick baseplate holds the heat and the digital temperature control doesn't keep you guessing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.